Partition's pain can never be forgotten. Today, on 14th of August, I, Tanvi, and my friend Pratibha stand in front of you all as we all gather to observe Partition Horrors Remembrance Day, a day of solemn reflection and remembrance. On this day, we remember the events that unfolded in 1947 when the Indian subcontinent was divided, giving birth to two new nations, India and Pakistan. While this division marked the dawn of independence for these nations, it also left a deep scar on the collective memory of the people who lived through those tumultuous times.
The partition of India and Pakistan in 1947 stands as a pivotal chapter in the history of the Indian subcontinent. This momentous event, driven by political, religious, and cultural factors, led to the creation of two independent nations and left an incredible mark on the region's social, political, and economic landscape. If we talk about historical background, the British colonial rule in India, spanning nearly 2 centuries, had sown the seeds of discontent and struggle for independence. By the mid-20th century, the demand for self-determination had gained momentum and the stage was set for decolonization. However, the path towards independence took an unforeseen turn as the question of partition emerged. Religious and cultural divides. The partition was primarily driven by religious division, with a significant Hindu population in India and a predominantly Muslim population in the western and eastern regions. Leaders like Muhammad Ali Jinnah advocated for a separate Muslim nation, leading to the creation of Pakistan. Human suffering and displacement. The partition unleashed widespread violence, communal riots, and mass migration. The immense human suffering and loss of life during this period are difficult to quantify. Families were torn apart, communities were uprooted, and homes were abandoned as people crossed newly drawn borders to align with their religious identities. The scars of this division continue to resonate in the collective memory of both nations. Legacy of resilience and compassion. Amidst the horrors of the partition, stories of resilience, compassion, and unity emerged. Communities and individuals from different backgrounds often came together to provide support and solace. Such instances of humanity in the face of adversity stand as a testament to the potential for unity and diversity. Now we're going to ask some questions.
My first question is, when was India and Pakistan partition happened?
14th of August 1947.
Yes, your answer is correct, 14 August 1947. My second question is, India and Pakistan border is also known as? I repeat my question, India and Pakistan border is also known as? The correct answer is Radcliffe Line. Which state of India share longest border with Pakistan? I repeat my question, which state of India share longest border with Pakistan? No, your answer is wrong, Jammu and Kashmir. My fourth question is, the partition of India and Pakistan marked the end of British colonial rule, also known as? I repeat my question, the partition of India and Pakistan marked the end of British colonial rule, also known as? The correct answer is Viraj.
Now the fifth question is, who proposed the partition of India and Pakistan?
Muhammad Ali Jinnah.
The answer is correct, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. My sixth question is, which princely states accession to India became a subject of dispute during the partition?
Indian rights. Indian rights.
No, your answer is wrong. The answer is Kashmir. I repeat my question. Which princely states accession to India became a subject of dispute during the partition? Jammu and Kashmir. My seventh question is, the partition of India was primarily based on which differences? Yes, your answer is correct, religious differences. My eighth question is, which British viceroy was responsible for announcing the partition plan in 1947? Which British viceroy was responsible for announcing the partition plan in 1947? No, your answer is wrong. The answer is Lord Louis Mountbatten. Finally, we would like to sign off by saying,
let's forever remember the suffering of people during partition and work for a better tomorrow of this nation. Thank you and have a marvelous night.
Bhasa Sangam.
good morning. morning everyone. Today we the students of class 10C are here to present Bhasha Sangam. So in English we say how are you? हिंदी में कहते हैं आप कैसे हैं? In Ladakhi we say Khamazam in Ale. Please repeat after me. Khamazam in Ale. In English we say I am fine. हिंदी में कहते हैं मैं ठीक हूँ. In Ladakhi we say Khamazam in Le. Please repeat after me. Khamazam in Le. In English we say thank you. हिंदी में कहते हैं धन्यवाद. In Ladakhi we say thu chi che. Please repeat after me. Thu chi che. Thank you and have a nice.
Special class go.